All right, lovies, let's get started. You can always join at any time. Remember, this is just a quick review to see if you've learned how to use place value to compare numbers. Here we go. First question. Okay, which symbol would you use? 23 is what then 96? No, we're not adding, we're comparing. So what symbol would we use? And look at you guys, you're the best. If you put 23 is less than 96, you got it right. Wonderful job. Let's do the next one. Woohoo, look at those scores. Oh my goodness, you guys are all in the race together. What's this symbol? If you were anywhere in the world, what symbol would you use to compare 101 and 101? You're right, equal. They are exactly the same. Look at that. Not only is the hundreds place the same, the tens place is the same, and the baby one units are the same. Wonderful. So first place value, they're exactly the same. They are equal, equal, equal. Okay, here we go. Next question. Uh-oh, can you figure this one out? 83 versus 95. Ooh, we're divided. A divided classroom. No, we have 83 is what then 95. So if you look at your tens place, what's the first thing we're supposed to look at? Everybody better say tens, right? Look at your tens. Look up here. Look up here. I say, look here. One has 8 tens, one has 9. Can you tell which one's bigger? Which one's greater? Yes, you should open up your shark mouth and go turn away from 83. Ew, you're too small. Open it up and gobble 95. So if you chose the red one, you got it right. How you would read this is 83 is less than 95. That's right. Good work, guys. Here comes the next one. Try this one. Ooh, look at those tens. Ooh, 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 look at those tens. Which way would your gator go? Yum, 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 yum. I'm so hungry. Uh-oh, we're divided again. Uh-oh, somebody's peeking at the ones place. Just because this has more ones does not mean it's greater. Look at the tens. Tens have far more value. This one's got 7 tens. Turn your gator mouth and eat 72. Open your mouth nice and wide. Oh, you got to have a big mouth to eat 72. So the correct answer is the yellow one. And how would we read this? Who knows it? Can you do it with me? Can you read it with me? Yes? Unmute. 72 is greater than 49. Good work. Here we go. Next one. Okay, you know this one. Come on, everybody knows this one. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes. Ava, could you read this one to me? Just Ava. I want to hear her voice.
88.
Keep going. Is
88. Equal.
Yes, to 88. So how would you read it? You would read it like this. 88 is equal to 88. Yes, ma'am. We got it. Nice work. They're both the same. No, that would be adding it together. We don't want to do that. All right, let's do this one. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it? Take a look at those tens. What do we do if the tens are the same? They both have 9. Is that going to help us? Ooh, almost everybody got this one right. Let's look and see why. 9 tens, they're both the same. So where do we go if the tens are the same, Yelini? What do we go look at if the tens don't tell us? Yelini? What do we go look at if the tens are the same and they don't help us? What do we go look at?
96.
So listen to my question. I'm sorry, I'll try it one more time. If the tens are exactly the same, see how the tens look the same? Where could we go look to help us determine which one's greater? Wah, wah.
The 6 is greater.
Why? What place is that?
So the 90 have just 0.
But you didn't tell me what place it's in. Is it in the tens place or the ones place?
Ones place.
Yay! That's right. If the tens are the same, go look at the ones. See which baby is greater. Good work. Awesome job, guys. Let's do the next one. Ooh, look at those scores. Okay. Ooh, Arna's on fire. Look out. Here comes the next one. Can you figure it out? No, I am not subtracting. I'm comparing. Which way should the shark, alligator mouth go? Ooh, divided again. Uh-oh. So once again, we look at the tens place. They're the same. So 7 doesn't tell me anything because they both say 7. I can't tell. I can't tell. So where do I go look? Arna says, go look at the baby one. No, Yeleni told me that. Yeleni said, go look at the ones. All right. So which one has more ones? Which one, Benito? Which one has more ones? 73 or 74? Hurry. Which one has more ones? Can you not unmute? Christina, can you unmute and tell me which one has more ones?
74.
Beautiful. So your gator mouth is going to open up and gobble 74. I'm not going to turn the other way because then the gator would be confused. He would go to the smaller number and that wouldn't make sense. That we would read it the wrong way. 73 is not greater than 74. So remember, the way you put your symbol has to make the sentence make sense. Let's try this one. Can you look at the tens place? Which one's greater? Which one should we eat? Yay, you're learning. You got it. This one's obviously greater. So we're definitely going to open our mouths and gobble up 85. How would we read that? 23 is less than 85. Beautiful. Here we go. We're on 2 more questions and we'll be done. Can you do this one? Who's the fastest? Who's faster? Come on, who's the fastest? Can you do it? Yay! And we're all right. Oh my goodness, you guys, your brains are going fabulous. How would we read this? Arna, can you read this to me?
66 is equal to 66.
Wonderful. Love it. Last question. Who's on fire? It's Yeleni. Look out, Yeleni. I'm coming with the fire hose. Here comes the next one. Last one. Okay, what symbol do we use? You've traveled to another place. No, we're not adding. We're just comparing. What would we put to compare those 2 numbers? Are they equal? Which one's greater? Which one's less? Which one do you want to eat? Oh, most people chose the right answer, and it is the yellow one. You're going to open up your gator mouth. Oh, hold on 2 seconds for me. There we go. We're going to open up our gator mouth and go. Yes, there he is. He's going to eat the one that has more tens right away. My brain wants to slice these numbers. I've been doing this so long, and I can tell that this one has more tens. More tens means a greater number. Beautiful. All right, guys. Clear, stop, and go.
Can I tell you something?
2 seconds left, and then we'll talk, okay? Arna. Ava. Who do you think it is, guys? Yeah, lady. Wonderful. Okay, guys. So we wanted to show, oh, I see you're writing in the chat. Okay, guys, let's stop for a second and talk about a few things. Who had a question, first of all? Olmo, do you have a question for me?
I have a question.
Okay.
The question of the Kahoot. I was in 5th place.
You were in 5th place. That's okay with practice. Are you going to practice?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, you can have a contest with your brother and see who gets the symbol right. Beautiful, Ava. Anybody else have any questions about the Okay, can I? No, Ben, that's not a question. Guys, don't do that. Well, can I show you something real quick? I mean, super fast, and then I'll let you go. I showed this to the first group. Everybody has to throw your eyeballs at the screen right now. Put your eyeballs on the screen, Ben. Ben. Ready? I'm going to show you something. I'm going to look. Olmo, you're not looking. Now you're looking. 23 is equal to 23. We know that. Say we know that. We know that. Give me a thumbs up. I know that, Miss Cruz. That's too easy. Okay, great. How about this one? 23 plus one more equals or greater or less than 23. Wait a minute. How do I know? What do I do? Something's wrong. I don't want an equal. I want to know, is it greater, equal, or less? So what do I need to do? Arna's looking. Ava Marie's looking. You're about to find out. Oh, somebody's eyeballs fell off the screen. Whose eyeballs? I'm looking for his eyeballs. Yes, I see him. First, we have to figure out what we have. We have to do this side first. We have to figure it out. We have to add 23 plus 1. Okay? You have to solve this first. So what is 23 plus 1? Who knows it? Who's the fastest one in the world? Arna, go. What's 23 plus 1 more?
24.
Woohoo! So 24.
And also, are you doing something wrong because plus and comparing
Nope. Oh, nope. I need to solve it. This is going to happen to you. Yes, I'm going to ask you to solve something on one side and then help me compare. Okay, so now what would I put in the symbol, Olmo? What would I put in? Is you can just read it to me. 24 is
20,
what?
24 is bigger than 23.
Good. Now use the vocabulary word. Instead of saying bigger and fatter, tell me greater.
Greater.
Yay! Let's eat them. Nom, nom. There's Olmo, the alligator. Olmo. Ah! So we have to solve the side first, both sides. So if you see an equation on one side, solve it first to find out what you'd have. All right, lovies, you can go. I love you so much. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I love it, Ava. Have a good day.
Bye.
Mwah.